Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will learn how to sell your art in Roblox Starving Artists to make Robux. Firstly, after opening up our browser, in the search panel, we'll type Roblox, then left click on the Roblox website. After that, we have to make sure that we're logged into our account. Then go to the Create tab. After going to the Create tab, we'll go to Creations and select any of our creations. It doesn't really matter. Now we have to create a pass. So in the Monetization tab, we'll go to Passes. Now create a pass from Creations. After that, we'll give our pass a name. For instance, we have to name after our art, as I'll be selling a art with it in Starving Artists. The description can be whatever you want. After that, create the pass. Now left click on the pass from here. On the left side of your screen, go to the Sales tab. Check item for sale and put a price in here. Now click on Save Changes. Go back to your dashboard. Now you have to open Starving Artists. So in the search panel of your Roblox player, type Starving Artist, then left click. Now left click on the play button on Starving Artist. Let the game load. You have to go to an unclaimed booth to claim it and start your business in there. So from here, we'll go to an unclaimed booth. Press E to claim the booth. Now, if you have an art, you can just go to Canvas, and if you don't have an art, you can go to Booth and paint one. As I have an art painted, so I'll select it. Now from here, you will see the pass that you have created right just now. So left click on it. Now anyone coming to your booth can purchase your painting. By purchase, they'll essentially purchase the pass. Now that is how you can sell your art in Roblox Starving Artists.